Ebusian for a attention TV me pacho afena we do afide na to am pacho Mr. Sir over like we pia share we do comment aba na ma foforo so ehu ne ekọ de biara da me betena ha me ka kire se sa ade a chi na se nti bibia na che se ye chiri ene sen wonim se adanu ada National Science and Maths quiz e course no e ade a Keta school for abomoden epopie mu e finance ama woni eye presec for e finance ma e wi asene na che se e ade a eye ani jesem ye pa edemom na NSMQ ememu a okojina say contestant at the market school for no mu ba kwa your friend James na enne abetodwa say abrante ahwere no kwa no yesusu say ade a food poison enye ade a ayeden ekun abrante yesusu na no mi dem hu ye sa na omo ka no abrante ahwere no kwa ya ade emisio ane awerako abejam abejam ebusuan na afi Keta school for no well, Abrante and Tias and Ubisan and said, Dian or Peso, ya, or Pese, no, a churning seems or Peso or Boa for Sen by a for so a bit to me, I then I call my name. And then see what Abrante and Tias and a young quiet, young share, the Juma DB and answer the performance or done the our Abrana and National Science and Maths quiz no air cosson.
I am a property of a sound wave. I characterize how a sound wave is perceived. I am high for a piccolo or an oboe. I am low for a bassoon. Yes, Lutrot.
Pitch.
Yes, it's the pitch. Oh. The set of x such that x is less than 0. Lutrot?
False.
Yes. An increase in pressure will increase the equilibrium constant. Lutrot?
False.
Yes. The greater the surface area to volume ratio of an animal, the more heat it loses relative to its volume. Lutrot?
True.
Yes. Keta. Inverse tangent of -1 is equal to 135 degrees. Lutrot?
False.
Yes.
What inspires you, Lutrot, to learn more? Or you are one of those people out in a maybe
like the dreams I have, like what I want to become in the future, and then how to make my family better, and also how to go and then help others. Yeah, that's why. That's the basic reason. To provide all my needs.
Okay.
Anytime I need them. Yeah.
So that's where you get your inspiration from.
Okay. So how is university life like? Please speak a bit.
University life is cool, and it's also a lot of fun. And here, because of NSMQ, I had to study ahead of my mates back in SHTS. So coming here, studying has been a lot easier. So I know some of the things ahead before the electricity. So it's quite okay. Yes.
Nice. And your friends who competed, where are they now?
Okay, so Bright is in Tech, that's KNUST, and Francisca was here, but she had admission to Harvard.
Okay.
So she will be going out to study pre-medicine.
Okay.
It's in Harvard.
Okay. Yeah, so what is your story? And when I say what is your story, I'll break it down. How did you get into Keta school? Which GHS were you in Keta school? How did you get to become part of the team? What is the story behind James's rise to the finals?
So actually, it has always been my dream to win the NSMQ. So I got into NSMQ when I was in junior high school. So I started watching contests, and a contest which made me make my decision was a contest between Adisco and St. Peter's. It was Adisco. So Adisco were performing really well 2018 in the NSMQ. So it informed my decision to partake in NSMQ and also win it. But unfortunately, Adisco didn't win it that year. But they really performed well. So from there, I went to Newland schools in Ashaiman. So from there, I went to Keta High Technical School. So I was still carrying that dream. So eventually I was selected into the team, and I had to work hard to make my dream possible, and I was selected to represent my school, and we worked hard to reach the finals. But unfortunately, we couldn't win it. But it's still my desire for my predecessors to also win it for me. Yes.
You mean those who come after you?
Yes. Those who come after me to win it for our school. Yes.
So your successors.
Yes.
Those who come after. Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, my successors.
Yes. So, what are your future ambitions? What do you want to do with this degree?
I would like to be a computer scientist and a web designer, and then also graphic design, like full stack web designer and graphic design. And I also have plans in going to cryptocurrency. That's blockchain technology, and I think that technology is crazy. That's what is going to take over the world in like the next 10 years or something. So I'm going to blockchain technology too. Yes, and eventually I'll become a businessman. Yes.
Nice one. You need some of those billions as well, right? Okay. So now we're getting to the end of this. But do you have any advice for the younger generation who might be watching you and are inspired by you?
Yeah, I think they should just, for me, I think following your dream, I believe in following your dream. Never give up on your dreams and always think of your dream, and that will help you to move higher. And most importantly, you have to keep God first.
Yeah, keep God first. All right. What motivates you? What inspires you? What's your secret?
First of all, my secret is my parents. I have to work hard for my parents because they brought me into this world, and I have to make them proud. And then I also have to make myself proud.
All right. So thanks for joining us. Before we go,
Yeah, one kasa wahu wode wani ahwe dia abrante no eye no morning bo a oda ne dia na ye fa sa akwanya wesu ade etu obi afose me pa achew aya dia wo se wohwe weduane dia mu ye baabi a odidi bia ya odidi wona wonu wodidi me pa achew wo se wohwe ne ye se ne ba ya sebi o da ache bi no anase sebi one ma ho kwan ma okwase bi anye den am poison anase enkun ya se eya alleged na mbom obia enim so far as our evidence en by ne de obia entimi engina so enkase eya food poison na mbom no se eya sa na tie dia and ya mpacho won so a wo hwe me no mpacho bombode bia se weduane die bebia obedidi na afi wona wonu wodidi no obehwe ne yem mpacho e ma remfi se ha attention tv odo like beba no we pia share na afi odo comment aba ama afoforo so ehu ne ekọ e ma remfi se mo sonfo amansan chiame akwasi mensa na me de prem